The main source of water on earth is rain. The water from the mountains comes down in the form of rain and snow. Drinking dirty water can make us sick. Boiling water kills the germs in it. We use groundwater by digging wells and tube wells. The rainwater that seeps into the ground is called groundwater. Write the uses of water. Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes, cleaning utensils. Identify the sources of water. Well, river, tubewell, dam. Observe the given picture and answer the questions. Which activity shown in the picture makes the water dirty? Bathing buffaloes in river water. Name one method used for cleaning dirty water. Boiling. Mention 2 ways in which we can store rainwater. Utilizing rain barrels, rooftop rainwater harvesting.